Mehariria makunyita ugeni makiria ma athaki 1,300 kuma mabũrũri makiria ma 130 no marathi na mbere. Na guthurima mutaratara uyu, First Lady Margaret Kenyatta ni acerire kiharo-ini kiu kuria acemanirie na athaki a guku bũrũri-ini. First Lady omagaritio ni Minister wa Mathako Dr. Wariũ ni acerire nyũmba-ini iria ateng'eri magakorwo magikara hindi ya mathako macio.
What is remaining now is the software. We've done the hardware. The software is showing Kenya's hospitality to 130 countries that will be arriving here. Some of them have already sneaked in more or less. They're training up in E10.
First Lady augete ati mahenya maya ni makuhe andu ethi mweke wa kugacirithia taranda ciao.
To Team Kenya, I wish you all the very best in your preparations and offer my unyielding support and admiration. We are all rooting for you and optimistic that Kenya will emerge as the international champion this year.
The Kenyan team is prepared. They are now in the camp.
Geke nikio kihitahitano gia ikumi kia mahenya ma aria matakinyitie miaka 18.
The upcoming IAAF World Under-18 Championships offer a fantastic opportunity for us to recognize the diverse talents and abilities of youth across the world. Every competing athlete will serve as an inspiration to young people globally.
Mabũrũri matandatu ta America, Ngeretha, Japan na Canada matikanyita itemi mathako-ini macio.
Many other countries are already in Kenya, but they're here informally. So we cannot declare that they are here because they made their own arrangements. They checked themselves into camps. So for those ones, we just declare when they report to the camp.
Kenya iriga kuhariria mathako ta macio mwaka-ini wa 1987 riria mathako ma Afrika matafanitio guku bũrũri-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wangari wa Njoroge.